With gratitude to God for a fulfilled life, we announce the transition of the immediate past president, World Council of Optometry, Dr. Mrs. Uduak Ezekiel Udom of Ntega Village, Bukanafon Local Government Area, aged 63. Until her transition, Dr. Mrs. Uduak Ezekiel Udom was also a member, World Health Organization on Eye Care Services, a fellow of American Academy of Optometry, fellow, Nigerian College of Optometrists, and chief optometrist, CJ Vision Center, Uyo. At faithful and committed Christian sister, Dr. Mrs. Uduak Ezekiel Udom is survived by a husband, 4 children, an aged father, brothers, sisters, uncles, in-laws, nieces, nephews, cousins, and other relations too numerous to mention. Funeral arrangements are as follows. Wednesday, February 6, 2019, an evening of testimonies. Venue, Share Grace Arena, Zika Rock Avenue, Uyo, time 5 p.m. Thursday, February 7, 2019, there will be a funeral service to be conducted by Altar of Grace Fellowship, number 88, Ikorekwenere, Uyo, at the Unity Park grounds, say Udodoma Avenue, Uyo, time 10 a.m. While interment follows thereafter. Friends and sympathizers are welcome. May her soul rest in perfect peace. Amen. Mr. Ezekiel Udom, for the family.